Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
Yeah, so in my masjid, the imams, they give wrong information sometimes, like it's very bad, wrong information, innovation. And both of these imams, their knowledge is not really correct. So it's not even that bad, but it's actually, the informations they give are like full-on innovations. In this case, is it permissible for me to donate to the masjid?
If the masjid is propagating false information, spreading innovation, and the evil from this masjid is far greater than the good, the answer is no. You should not donate to this masjid. Rather, you should endorse and support a masjid that follows the Sunnah.
Aqib sent a question. He says, can family members and the person whose Aqiqah is to be done eat from the sacrifices meat? So we know what is Aqiqah, right? Aqiqah is a sacrifice that we slaughter in appreciation and showing our gratitude to Allah Azza wa Jal for granting us an offspring, a child. And this is to be done on the 7th day after the child's birth. So we've slaughtered the sheep, we've slaughtered a ram. What to do with it? Can we eat from it? Or must we give it all to charity? Some scholars say that you should treat it like the udhiyah, in the sense that it should be divided into 3 sections or divisions or portions. 1 to charity, 1 a gift, and a 3rd one we eat from. But the most authentic opinion is that there is no specific classification of distributing the meat. What counts is the sacrifice, the shedding of the blood for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. This is what reaches Allah Azza wa Jal. What to do in the meat? You can divide it into 3 portions and divide it as mentioned with the udhiyah. You can put it in your fridge and eat the whole month from it, you and your family. You can have a feast and call your relatives and friends and eat from it. You can do whatever you wish. The sky is the limit.